Yes guys, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the last video. We've got a special episode today. Got my good friend Will. You probably guessed by what he's on. We're going to be doing some mini bike bashing today, guys, so hope you enjoy it. High speed bombing. Right, we had a little bit of a problem with the bikes. The chain of Will's bike kept coming off. Yeah, we had to do a bit of DIY. He's currently running a razor blade as his setup. He's primed and ready. One brake, half a grip, you know how we do. He's ready to roll. Let's get on some jumps. Will just had a huge so we're switching bikes. That's not why we're switching bikes, but Will's on the blue and then I'm on the green. Will's been absolutely hammering the berms, just washed out there, but it's ready to go again now on the blue. Yeah, and it's prime. I think he's liking it. How was the first run? All right.
Yeah.
How are you finding the bars?
Terrible.
What?
It's terrible.
It's not terrible.
Yeah. Can't hold on to the bars.
Right, Will thinks he can't hold on to the bars, so got a feeling he's going to be. Sounds like a motorbike now. So Will's probably going to end up back on the green. I prefer the blue bike anyway, so it's fine. Right, Will is switching back to the green bike. It's kind of hard to film this video though because there's only two of us and we don't have a cameraman. I currently am the cameraman and the one that's riding, but Will is primed and ready and he's going to show us how it's done. Here we go. Oh, he's almost crashed already.
I'm going to crash again.
Oh god, he actually rode the berm. Oh. He's crashed like every time on this corner. This guy, look what he's riding and look at the stuff he just said he can do. He just said he's going to go clear this. I'll pass Will the camera and yeah, give it a shot. Rail these berms first though. Don't hit that berm very fast because you will die. I'm just moving the cameras. And Will's on steezing. Will's on trying to get Will's trying to get a bit of a quicker run now. It's kind of hard though because he hasn't got a chain. And he's just like, oh, here it comes. Oh my god, he's firing. Oh my, oh he's right, we're setting up another clip. Gonna get it on this berm. Nice one there into a left-hander. Will's gonna come firing in and show us how it's done. He's got no chain obviously, so he's ripping. Oh my god. Are you good? Right, Brandon's just arrived. He's gonna smash the berm.
You can't hold on. You have to hold on to the brakes, by the way. Actually, you should try on this one. This one's fine. Look at these. I'll just try like a little taster. look so scared. You can't even stop. Oh, my feet don't even stay on. Are in, boys. That was actually sick.